This kit comes with such a lovely variety of tags, and there are so many different ways to use them throughout your journal. The simplest way, of course, is just to tuck them straight into a pocket, like this little bird right here. Another way is to use them as an embellishment on the pocket itself. I'm taking a small paper clip and I'm clipping it right here. You could glue it down if you'd like, but honestly, I really like it this way. It feels flexible and easy to move around later. And you can see it already adds so much to the page. Let's move on and keep decorating. Now this page feels like it could use a few hidden little elements. Maybe something tucked in here and here too. Let's add something to this part. Yes, that looks nice. I like this one. Actually, I like this one even more, so I'm going with this piece instead. I'm adding it just here and here, and turning this decorative tag into another little band. And now I'm placing it here, right on top of the pocket. It gives the page such a nice finished touch. And here again, we can simply add more tags into the page like this, right into the top pocket. Okay, I have a little too much room here, so let's start over here instead. This one will hold nicely there. And then we can add more here. And here. Maybe this one too. Yes, let's try that. And here we have two pockets. So now we can really have fun with it. I can tuck something here. Then I can add something on top. You don't have to arrange them exactly this way, by the way. You can change everything around and make it your own. You don't have to place them vertically, you can tuck them in horizontally too. And now let's fill this pocket. This page feels really pretty to me already. I like how it's coming together. Some pages feel better when they stay a little simpler, so I'm not going to overload this one. And for this page, I'm thinking maybe this tag here. I'm tucking it right behind the circle, like that. And you can see I still have quite a few tags left to play with. So maybe I'll add another one here, just tucked in this spot. This kit gives you so many different pieces. You can really be creative with how full, layered, or simple you'd like your journal to be. Here's another one, and I still have plenty left. So let's have a look at where we are now. We combined our pages, we added the cover, then we added cards, and now we've added the tags. We added little side tucks, more pockets, and extra details all throughout. So now you can really see it coming together. It feels rich, decorated, and beautifully full.